Hey guys, how's it going today? Welcome you all to this abandoned amphitheater. I am in a forest here in Delhi and trust me, it was very difficult to be here. I also heard some dogs barking, which means yes, it is abandoned, but yeah, there is someone who lives inside this amphitheater. Guys, finally I'm in and again there's so many dogs and I'm kind of scared. Look at this cute little dog. They're barking at me, but I'm sure they're scared of me. Here's the way to up. These are the stairs where people used to sit in past. So guys, few amazing facts about this place. So this 36-acre amazing structure was built in 1960, built by the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, on the name of Ravindra Tagore, and that is why this place name is Ravindra Rang Shala, named after Ravindra Tagore. And guys, this place was entertainment hub of Delhi for almost 3 decades. But in 1990, when Supreme Court declared this all area, this all place as a reserve forest, and from that time this place is abandoned. As per few information that I got from internet, central government has asked Delhi government to restart this place by doing reconstruction, but Delhi government has already declared that proposal. So as per my information, this place never gonna restore. This place is always gonna be abandoned as it comes under the central reserve forest. It's very cute, but yep, don't try to make them friends, then I eat you. Okay, so I'm going on top. I can see there's a way. So here's the way to go up. You can see forest all around. Look like washroom. Nice. Looks another washroom. Yes. So here we have reached to the upper deck, and looks amazing. Looks beautiful. And you can see these pillars, very old. So guys, look at the condition of these pillars who are holding this entire building. So guys, here you can see the lower deck, and here's the upper deck. There's the auditorium. bathroom tour, guys. Here we have one hot pot. We have gents toilet. Climate is beautiful right now, guys. It's beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know in comments. And this is right between the forest. That's the beauty of this place. So guys, that's all for this vlog, and please like the vlog, guys. It took so much hard work of mine to make these vlogs, and it takes a few milliseconds to just hit the like button. So please do that, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.